Yeah, wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods, top notch hoes, get the